Meaning of Lloyd's Register.
Lloyd's Register.
Lloyd's Register.
Lloyd's Register.
Lloyd's Register. Lloyd's Register is a global professional services company that provides engineering and technical solutions to various industries. It was founded by Edward Lloyd in London in 1760 as a marine classification society, and has since expanded its services to include inspection, verification, testing, and certification of products and services across a wide range of sectors, including energy, transportation, and manufacturing. The company's purpose is to help ensure the safety and sustainability of its clients' operations and products.